know many people are having trouble with the battery life of their Ring Battery Doorbell Plus? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Recognize battery quality. Your Ring Battery Doorbell Plus has a high-quality rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Step 2. Handle battery safely. Handle the battery safely. Don't disassemble, crush, bend, or puncture it. Step 3. Use approved batteries. Only use lithium-ion batteries approved for your Ring device to prevent fire, explosion, or leakage risks. Step 4. Prevent short circuits. Prevent short circuits by not allowing metallic objects to contact the battery terminals. Step 5. Dispose batteries properly. Dispose of used batteries properly, as per your local laws and regulations. Step 6. Recharge in dry conditions. Always recharge the battery inside a building and in dry conditions using the supplied charging cable for best results. With these steps, you should be able to get the most out of your Ring Battery Doorbell Plus battery life and keep it working properly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There, you will also find questions and answers from other Ring users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.